Hi German, this is Stefano. As promised, finally I got my time together to show you something on this Alembic Series 2. Where to start? It's now I have all the filters closed. Let's say the CVQs are closed and the filters are open. Both pickups on. If I open the CVQ half of both, now full open. Yes, you can really dial anything in if you want to play with the CVQs. You can maybe close the bridge pickup completely. Or vice versa. It's also the end, which has a lot of highs. I have it's now in flat, but there is a pre-EQ which has a slightly hi-fi sound as I like it. But this bass has really lots of highs, and I guess I will close the filters pretty much. So. Yes, what can I say? I mean, there's another signature sound that I like, which is this one, where you close the filter completely of the neck pickup. have any questions, please ask. Ciao.